Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.2 question 5 bit 2 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly is given in question number 5 bit 2. Coming to the question, it is given that find the number of terms in each of the following APs, and the given number sequence is like 18, 15 1 by 2, 13 minus 47. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Coming to the solution, let there are n number of terms in the given AP 18, 15 1 by 2, 13 minus 47. So guys, we are just assuming that there are n number of terms and we are going to find out this value of n. So now we are going to put the given data in the below table. Guys, as usual, I have created a table and I'm going to put the above number sequence in this table. So for this reason, I have created a 5-column table with 3 rows and naming first term to first cell, second term to second cell, third term to third cell, leaving fourth cell is blank, and nth term to the last cell. Now putting 18 under first term, 31 by 2 on the second term. 31 by 2 means if we solve like 15 1 by 2, we are getting 31 by 2, and 13 under third term, leaving one cell blank, and minus 47 under nth term. Now naming A1 to first term, A2 to second term, A3 to third term, A just as it is, and AN to nth term. So guys, I am naming A1, A2, A3, AN so that it would be easy while making the calculations. As per the question, the above numbers form an AP. Hence, we can find the common difference for any of the consecutive numbers. So guys, as we know that the given number sequence is an arithmetic progression, that means we can find the consecutive difference, or we can find the common difference of any of the terms, because which of the terms we take, the difference would be same. So D is equal to A3 minus A2. Here I'm taking the difference of third term and second term. You can take the difference of second term and first term as per your comfortability. So D is equal to 13 minus 31 by 2, that is equal to 26 minus 31 by 2, that is equal to minus 5 by 2. So here we get the common difference as minus 5 by 2. Let us use the formula AN is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into D. As usual guys, this is one of the most important formula that we need to use throughout the arithmetic progression. So minus 47 is equal to 18 plus n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Just replacing the values in this formula, what we get is like minus 47. AN is minus 47, that is given, and A1 is 18, and for D we know that it is minus 5 by 2. So replacing the values in this equation, we get minus 47 is equal to 18 plus n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2, or minus 47 is equal to 18 minus 5 by 2 n plus 5 by 2, or 18 minus 5 by 2 n plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47, or minus 5 by 2 n is equal to minus 47 minus 18 minus 5 by 2, or minus 5 by 2 n is equal to minus 94 minus 36 minus 5 by 2, or minus 5 by 2 n is equal to minus 135 by 2, or minus n is equal to minus 135 by 2 into 2 by 5, or minus n is equal to minus 27, or n is equal to 27. Guys, just I solved this equation. I believe you very well know how to solve this type of equation, so I am not explaining much on this. So here we got the value of n is 27. So now we can say that there are 27 terms in the given AP. As we get the value of n is 27, so we can say that there are 27 terms in the given AP. Guys, this question is again a very simple one. You can do it within 1 or 2 minutes. Just I took so many steps so that I can explain you. So guys, if you have any questions or concerns, kindly write to me in the comment section of this video. I will definitely get back to you once I see your comments. If you guys really like my videos, kindly subscribe and let your friends know. Thank you. Bye.